Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Izzo espresso machine. This machine needed a new PID and new PID, new pump, used the old parts, and it also, there was a big clog in it. This whole pipe in the bottom of the boiler was clogged, is clogged actually, we couldn't clear it. You kind of see it in there. We had to replace that part, and we also descaled the machine and didn't charge the customer extra for that, even though it took us a long time. This machine had some pretty heavy scale buildup, which actually surprised me because we sold the customer a water softening filtration system I think about a year ago. So I'm not sure what happened with that, if it got installed or what's going on, but there's definitely water issues, and a machine should not have this much scale buildup. So it's running well now, and let's go ahead and test the machine. You can see we have 10 bars of pressure. Shot's running a little long. I'm not used to pouring with a 3-shot filter basket, so I didn't exactly know how much weight to put in it. But you can see we have really good crema. And it's a decent shot. Let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. Check the hot water. So thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.